Nitrogen is normally a gas at room temperature, but if you bring it back down to its boiling point, which is negative 196 degrees Celsius, it's a liquid. Look what happens when I take a cup of liquid nitrogen and pour it on the desk. It immediately boils away. Let's look at it again. Pretty neat, huh? It simply hits the desk, comes to room temperature, and boils away. Now let's take a rubber tube. We'll take a piece of this rubber tube and drop it into the liquid nitrogen. Wait a few minutes, about a minute, minute and a half. Take it out. It is now extremely hard. It's almost like glass. Now let's take a balloon full of air and put it into the liquid nitrogen. The liquid nitrogen boils because the balloon is room temperature, and the air inside the balloon becomes colder and colder. Finally, we remove the balloon and set it on the warm desk. As you can see, the air is now expanding inside the balloon back to its original shape. As things warm, they expand. And finally, let's look at a superconductor. There's a chip in the liquid nitrogen that's called a superconductor. On top is a cube, which is a magnet. As you can see here, it's floating on top of the superconductor. I can spin the magnet as it floats on its own magnetic field, because the superconductor at cold temperatures will not accept a magnetic field.